I dream fantasy, I live fantasy. Yeah, like if when I'm alone at night, I change my teams up to 4 matches ahead.
नहीं तुक्के लग जाते हैं, ये सब जुआ है। आज अगर किसी ने गलती से अमित मिश्रा को ले लिया होता गलती से, तो आज उसके कितने पॉइंट्स होते
होता। Whenever Chennai plays, Jamin will take Ruturaj Gaikwad and make him captain. So
Yeah.
the only reason I want Ruturaj Gaikwad to remain in the team is because Jamin takes him and he fails. Otherwise, I would want him out of CSK's team.
Have you ever wondered how real cricket fans talk? Well, then this is it, and this is how it happens as we present to you सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी season 2. Fans की बात करें तो let me tell you, Bangalore fans are on a real high. 3 matches, 3 wins. शायद बैंगलोर की टीम को खुद को यकीन नहीं हो रहा होगा कि ऐसा हमारे साथ इस साल हो रहा है. हैदराबाद की टीम की बात करें तो their fans are bound to be disappointed क्योंकि 3 matches, 3 losses. तो दूसरी तरफ चेन्नई, दिल्ली and Mumbai fans are not exactly in the mood because the teams are not really playing up to the level they are used to see. KKR, Kings 11, Rajasthan Royals, they are living up to the expectations because वो खेल रहे हैं their usual unpredictable game. Well, हमें देखना ये है कि इन सारे उतार चढ़ावों का इम्पैक्ट हमारे खिलाड़ियों के फैंटेसी गेम पे किस प्रकार हुआ है. फर्स्ट वीक में यशवंत ने लास्ट मोमेंट एक लंबी छलांग लगाई, तो दूसरी तरफ जैमिन gave a tough fight, but that could not stop Anand from winning the first weekly contest. अब we are in the middle of the second week और फैंटेसी स्कोरबोर्ड कुछ इस प्रकार नजर आ रहा है. D Company, you are leading in the second week also. Awesome, yeah. I mean, 2,890 points so far. Of course, Yashwant is giving you a good fight this time.
I think I'll have to go all in. Can't come second twice in 2 weeks. It's going to be 80% usual, 20% miracle. It's the time that I play the 20% miracle now.
As Yashwant has a 80-20 plan, I have a 100-0 plan. So I'm going to stick to my 100 and no miracle, no gamble, nothing. I tried gambling yesterday. I took Jadeja in my team. I took Unadkat in my team, which is something I didn't imagine I would do, but I did.
नहीं तुक्के लग जाते हैं, ये सब जुआ है। आज अगर किसी ने गलती से अमित मिश्रा को ले लिया होता गलती से, तो आज उसके कितने पॉइंट्स होते?
नंबर 1 होता। कैप्टन नंबर 1 होता।
I have tried to make a few moves. सारा कुछ चला नहीं. Last game में I think I had a few good picks. Yeah, few things went well. Moeen Ali was one of the alphas that I was thinking will work in that game. वो हुआ भी. But at the last moment I felt कि इस game में 2 alphas हैं. There is Moeen Ali and Butler. तो मैंने Butler को captain बना दिया, उसको vice captain बना दिया. So थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे हुआ, but I think second week has gone well for me, decently well.
One thing that's coming out very clearly in this tournament is there is a number 4 Indian batsman who's firing, and wherever he's firing, the team is launching big scores. And speaking from a fantasy point of view, not from game winning point of view.
आप मेरे पिछले 3 मैचेस देखोगे ना, मैं लास्ट मोमेंट में बिल्कुल ऐसा हुआ है कि किसी एक ने छक्का मारा, उसने कैच ले लिया, उसने विकेट ले ली, वो आगे निकल गए.
It's okay if I don't have the Rohit Sharma for a couple of games. I think he's going to be calm for a couple of games. It's okay if I don't take a Rahul for the next game.
Lokesh Rahul, I will definitely take. If he fires, then it's good for me. If it's not, then it's good for Yashwant. Whenever Chennai plays, Jamin will take Ruturaj Gaikwad and make him captain. So the only reason I want Ruturaj Gaikwad to remain in the team is because Jamin takes him and he fails. Otherwise, I would want him out of CSK's team. I think I'm up about 250 points and I have 3 subs in hand. So I'm quite happy with that at the moment. 4 games to go. I am not going to go all out. It's time, like Jamin, I need to focus on the long result as well.
सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी के इस स्टेज पे we have allowed the खिलाड़ीज to make 4 changes per match. इसके अलावा they can make 100 changes in the league stage through the season. ये होने के बावजूद भी there are always those 3 to 4 players who are top picks for each and every खिलाड़ी. Let's hear it from them and find out who are their top picks in the fantasy game.
I would go without a Rohit Sharma. I could go without a Quinton de Kock, but I will definitely have a Surya Kumar Yadav in my team.
अगर आप राजस्थान की बात करें तो सैमसन को मैं हमेशा टीम में रखता हूँ. Similarly, जडेजा को अभी तक रखता था, बट पिछले मैच में गलती कर दी मैंने, जडेजा को नहीं रखा.
The most valuable player is not the player who's going to either open or is going to bowl. I think he's the player who's going to control the maximum number of overs. If you take Moeen Ali, for example, right, he's the most impactful player in this IPL.
Yeah.
Comes in at 3, that means he has roughly about 14 overs to play. And then comes and bowls 3 overs or 4 overs. That's another 3-4 overs that he's going to control. So around 17-18 out of 40 overs, he's going to have some impact.
Actually,
Thank you,
even
guys.
Sam Curran. Sam Curran
Yeah.
is another such player along with Moeen. So you want to take players who will keep on playing, who will not get dropped. If it's in the right price range, then great. But otherwise, 2 things to make sure is constant points at a low price, and second one is constantly in the 11 without getting dropped.
Right now, for Orange Cap, I think no farther than Shikhar Dhawan. I think although he's a little expensive, but I think he's going to turn up and give you those 30-40 runs every game. And then odd 50, odd 100. And there's a lot riding on his batting.
Young Indian talented batsmen. One is Shubman Gill, other is Prithvi Shaw, and the other one is Samson. I have my team, all 3 of them, and the one bowler which I have is Harshad Patel, who is the purple cap holder currently.
So someone like an Arshdeep Singh, someone like a Rahul Chahar, you would want to just pick and forget about them because they'll deliver. They'll always Varun Chakravarti. These are the guys who will always give you 50-60 points per game, irrespective of what the situation will be. Harshal Patel is on that list now as well. Glenn Maxwell, which I think I'm not going to go without him this season for any game of RCB, irrespective of whether he has 5 ducks in a row or not.
Now those were some awesome fantasy picks और उम्मीद करता हूं कि हमारे खिलाड़ियों को सुनने के बाद you also got some bright ideas about you making your own fantasy team. Fantasy के इस अखाड़े से आज के लिए बस इतना ही. When we meet again in 2 days, we'll have the second weekly winner on सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी. तब तक देखते रहिए सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी और खेलते रहिए fantasy cricket on sbk.crickbattle.com.